guys, this is Aiden over at JagOC and Outdoor Adventures. I got this Slash for my birthday, and I'm gonna be unboxing this now before I have to go to bed. Hey guys, I'm gonna be ripping this truck open right now.
Yeah, let's get into it. What do you say?
Good. Let's do it.
Check out the Slash 4x4 VXL.
Yep.
Brushless. Oh, listen to that plastic. Crisp. Clean. Introducing Traxxas Slash. What do you say, Andy? We get into this baby here? See what's going on, huh? All right, you want to open that up?
Go ahead.
Let's check this thing out.
Yeah, I'm here. Ooh, yeah.
Oh, hold on. Let me flip it up. All right, now go ahead. Pull that out, Aiden. See what we got. Whoa! Oh, man.
Let's take the pins out. Go ahead.
Wow, look at that, huh?
All wrapped in plastic.
Woo! What do you think, huh?
That's your truck.
Nice, huh?
This body is awesome.
Yeah, super cool.
Yeah.
This truck comes pretty much ready to run with a controller. Just got to get yourself a battery and a charger if you don't have one already. So if you guys want to venture out and get a Traxxas Slash 4x4, this truck will do about 60 miles an hour with a LiPo battery. Aiden's going to be running a 2-cell LiPo.
Hey guys, I'm going to be running a 2-cell LiPo battery 5800.
5800.
5800.
Yeah, you should get about 25 minutes run time. I think that'll be enough for you to trash some dirt and burn some donuts.
Yeah.
This truck's going to be great for the grass, dirt.
Tires are nice.
Oh yeah, tires are really nice. It's got some good bumpers on it.
These aren't great snow tires here.
No, they're not going to be real good for the snow, but
Hey,
for dirt, they're going to work real well.
Oh, yeah. And see, you know we always test our C's out, right?
That's it.
Yep.
That's what we're here to do. We're here to have fun.
Yeah, and burn out some wheelies. Yeah.
You think this Traxxas Slash can do some wheelies?
Yeah.
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 Very possible. We'll try it.
Well, it might be able to, but if you notice, most of the trucks with no wheelie bars don't do wheelies.
Never know.
Oh, yeah.
Get rid of this.
No.
Oh. We don't want to break that. It's brand new.
Nope. Oh, so what do you think about your RC, Aiden? Well, it's nice. The body is nice.
Yeah. I think the red is really... I think they did a really good job on the graphics on this.
Yeah.
I mean...
Yeah, but...
It looks really, really nice.
Nice trucks.
You know, it looks like a desert racer, like a real truck.
Yeah.
You know?
I love my truck.
Now, are you happy you got this Traxxas Slash instead of that rock crawler?
Yeah.
Yeah. I think this truck will it'll suit you very well.
Yeah. Well, the truck is nice.
You know, you want to be able to go to the mud. You want to be able to go in all that kind of conditions.
You want to
Look, you can put numbers on it. Look at that.
Oh, cool.
Get some we got some decals here. Some Traxxas stickers.
Manual.
Yeah, it's gonna come with your tools. Some extra pins, some kits, your shock tower, clips. You got another gear if you want to change how fast you're gonna go.
So right here on the remote, you got your steering trim, your multi-function trim. Got the on light, like Aiden pointed out to you guys in a couple of last videos. He'll take it over from now.
Yep. This is awesome.
Yeah.
Look,
Ooh, boy.
it's the winner.
Yeah, nice.
This truck is the winner.
Hey, Aiden, do you think we should get an F-150 Ford Raptor body for it?
No.
You don't think so?
I think he likes that one.
Yeah, that's a pretty nice body. Guys, this Slash is really light. I can pick it up with one hand. Feels about like not even a pound.
I think it's a little bit heavier than that.
Yeah.
Yeah, a little bit heavier than a Slash body.
It's got some good suspension on it. We're going to see what it does. We're going to be running, like Aiden said, 2S LiPo,
Yep.
a 2-cell LiPo. And we'll see what the performance is like out there.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the winner. This is the winner truck. Hey guys, I will be driving this truck tomorrow. And make sure you subscribe to our channel and smash that like button before you forget.
What's up, guys? Joe at Jag RC and Outdoor Adventures. Hey, just want to fill you in. Oh, told you to order some new tires for the Stampede, and we got them in. We got some Badlands MX28s,
Nice.
all-terrains.
Awesome.
These tires should do super, super good. That is a sweet tire. Not real good for the pavement. You definitely tear them apart, but for the Stampede, we're going to be hitting the woods, the trails, and we might rip a wheelie or two. So hey guys, so make sure you check out for the next video. We'll see you around.
Hey guys, we'll see you in the next video. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.